Hello and welcome to my channel TNPSC tutorials. வாங்க questions பார்க்கலாம். First one, choose the statement that takes the question tag should they. Should theyங்கிற question tag எடுக்கணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்க. A. People could not be rude to one another. B. People should be rude to one another. C. People must be rude to one another. People should not be rude to one another. And the answer is D. Should they அப்படிங்கிற கொஸ்டின் டேக் வந்து இந்த டி ஆப்ஷனுக்கு பொருந்தும். இதுதான் இதோட விளக்கம். Second one, I thought how paltry, how vulgar, what the mean act, what is referred to as the mean act. A. Throwing a log at the snake. Killing the albatross. C. Bringing water. D. Allowing the snake to leave. And the answer is A. Throwing a log at the snake. Choose the correct tense of the verb given in bracket from the option given below. When I reach the station, the train dash bracket la leave. அதுக்கு correct tense of verb கொடுக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. A. Has left. B. Leaves. C. Left. D. Had left. And the answer is D. Had left. And kingdoms may forget their kings and dogs forget their bites. A. Tiger in a zoo. B. My faithful dog. C. No men or foreigner. D. The flying wonder. And the answer is D. The flying wonder. The Shakespeare character Bassanio is from the play. A. Julius Caesar. B. The Merchant of Venice. C. Macbeth. D. King Lear. And the answer is B. The Merchant of Venice. Name the poet in whose poet the following lines occur. Life is real, life is earnest. A. V.K. Gogol. B. Douglas Malloch. C. H.W. Longfellow. D. Rabindranath Tagore. And the answer is C. H.W. Longfellow. Identify the words which blend to form the word interpol and choose the correct answer from the quotes given below. Interim போலையும் சேர்த்தா என்ன வார்த்தை வருதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. A. Inter plus police. B. Information plus police. C. International plus police. D. Internal plus police. Answer is Interpol. அப்படிங்கிற ஆன்சர் எப்படி வருது அப்படின்னா இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் ப்ளஸ் போலீஸை வந்து பிளெண்ட் பண்ணால் நமக்கு இன்டர்போல் அப்படின்னு கிடைக்குது. Match a column A with column B. Column A. Be the best. Manliness. The piano. The man he killed. Column B. Thomas Hardy. D.H. Lawrence. Rudyard Kipling. Douglas Malloch. Options பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3214, 4321, C 2134, D 3421. And the answer is B 4321. Be the best. Douglas Malloch. Manliness. Rudyard Kipling. The piano. D.H. Lawrence. The man he killed. Thomas Hardy. Find the wrong pair from the given below. A. Snake. D.H. Lawrence. B. The Solitary Reaper. William Wordsworth. The Cry of Children. William Shakespeare. D. A Sonnet of My Incomparable Mother. F. Joan. And the answer is C. The Cry of Children. William Shakespeare. Name the poet who described the search for water in his poem Going for Water. A. Lord Tennyson. B. Robert Browning. C. Wilfred Owen. D. Robert Frost. And the answer is D. Robert Frost. Then we are going to general studies question. Identify the writer who won the prestigious Man Booker Prize for Fiction 2015. A. Tom McCree. B. Marilyn James. C. Sanjeev Shahart. D. Annie Taylor. And the answer is B. Marilyn James. Which of the following statement on Sahaj scheme is all correct? 1. Sahaj will enable customers to post online requests for new LPG connection. 2. It was launched by Finance Minister. 3. Initially, the scheme was launched in 22 cities across the country. Options A. 1 only, B. 1 and 2 only, C. 2 and 3 only, D. 1 and 3 only. And the answer is A. 1 only. The planet which has the fastest orbital motion is A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Earth, D. Mars. And the answer is A. Mercury. The mountain which is known as Horst is A. Fold mountain, B. Block mountain, C. Volcanic mountain, D. Residual mountain. And the answer is B. Block mountain. Next, the largest area in the ocean floor is occupied by A. Continental shelf, B. Continental slope, D. Deep sea plain, D. Ocean deeps. And the answer is C. Deep sea plain. Which of the following were the liquid measurements used by the infrared cholas? A. Ma, Kuli, B. Kalanju, Madai, C. Nali, Uri, D. Tuni, Padaku. And the answer is C. Nali, Uri. Which Indian dynasty imposed a tax called Padam on remarriages of widows? A. The Mughals, B. The Peshwas, C. The Sambhivaras, D. The Nayak of Tanjore. And the answer is B. The Peshwa. Identify the Indian political leader who uttered the following opinion. Indians do not deserve freedom from British rule unless they themselves get rid of the evils of untouchability. A. Balagangadhar Tilak, B. Gopalakrishna Gokhale, C. Mohandas Gandhi, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And the answer is C. Mohandas Gandhi. Arrange the following committees in chronological order. A. Gorwal Committee, 2. Iyengar Committee, C. Appleby Report, 4. Administrative Reform Commission. Options are A. 1324, B. 2314, C. 2134, D. 3124. And the answer is C. 2134. When did the Constitution Assembly for Undivided India meet for the first time? A. 9th November 1946, B. 9th December 1946, C. 9th October 1946, D. 9th September 1946. And the answer is B. 9th December 1946. இந்த கேள்விகள்லாம் உங்களுக்கு மிகவும் பயனுள்ளதாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். கண்டிப்பாக லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். வித்தவுட் ஃபெயில் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் யர் சப்போர்ட். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ.